Balita muna tayo mga repapits, mga madam sir, ito grabe to. Kalunos-lunos na pangyayari, no, mga repapits, no. Sa South Korea, no, 179 killed in South Korea plane crash, mga repapits, no. 179 yung namatay. Grabe to. So plane crash dito nga po sa Muwan Airport, kung nagkakamali sa South Korea. Kaya kahapon lang to nangyari. So kahapon, so kung anong oras ba tayo? I think kahapon to nangyari. So condolences dun sa mga namatayan or grabe to. So nakuhaan mismo ng video yung pagkabangga ng eroplano dito nga po sa wall, sa pinakang pader ng airport, no. So i-play natin to. Panoorin lang natin to mga repapits, no. Let's go.
Tonight, horrifying images from a South Korean airport. A passenger plane skidding across the runway after the landing gear appears to have failed before crashing into a wall and bursting into a massive fireball.
So hindi na pinakita yung yung pagsalpok mismo, no. So kinat na ron, tapos ito na agad yung nangyari, no. So sa ibang video kasi mismo yung nakuha yun, tapos nangyari doon ang bilis ng takbo ng eroplano. So yun, hindi na napigil kasi nagka-problema yung yung gear, yung landing gear nga po ng eroplano. So may pagsalpok doon, talagang grabe yung bulusok noon. Pero this time ito yung sa balita ng NBC News. So hindi na pinakita, kinat na to. Ayan, no?
Before crashing into a
diba?
wall and bursting into a massive fireball. Miraculously, first responders who rushed to the scene managed to pull 2 people out alive.
So bali 179 yung namatay, mga repapits. Grabe, ang dami. So dalawa yung nakasurvive. So I think ito yung dalawang flight attendant yata to. So ang ibig sabihin naman ng eroplano is 81 tao, no. So
miraculously,
181 na tao.
First responders who rushed to the scene managed to pull 2 people out alive. But many of the families of the 179 others waited inside the Muan Airport, just 180 miles south of Seoul.
So nandun sila sa airport, yung mga namatayan, yung yung mga family, no. Nandun pa rin sa airport.
Inside the Muan Airport, just 180 miles south of Seoul, as the names of the deceased were announced. Screams of agony and devastation filling the airport.
So ina-announce na rito kung sino yung mga namatay, tapos ito yung mga pamilya na grabe yun. Siyempre pag in-announce yung pangalan nun, ibig sabihin kung mag-aano sa'yo na talagang yun na, confirm na yung kamag-anak mo is yun na yun, nakasama sa plane crash na yun.
Screams of agony and devastation filling the airport. As South Korean officials offered an apology and vowing a swift and thorough investigation. So far, the flight radar for tracking the plane's journey from Bangkok, Thailand to South Korea didn't appear to show anything unusual. But officials say
mula Bangkok, Thailand yung flight pala, no, papunta siya sa Muwan,
a bird strike may have started the deadly chain of events which caused the pilot to issue a mayday warning.
When you see this video of the landing of this aircraft, what does that tell you?
This crash was tough to watch, and it's tough to piece together based on what we know so far. Bird strikes don't bring down airplanes like this, nor do they prevent landing gear from extending.
But it comes after a weekend.
So, ang sinasabi rito ang naging sanhi nga ng plane crash is yung nagka-problema, nag-malfunction yung landing gear.
Nor do they prevent landing gear from extending.
But it comes after a weekend of aviation incidents. A KLM flight heading to Amsterdam made an emergency landing in Norway after what the airline described as a loud noise. And an Air Canada flight in Halifax experienced a suspected landing gear issue as well, preventing it from reaching the terminal.
So even yung Canada, no, nagkaroon din ng problema. So after netong sa South Korea na plane crash na to, nagkaroon din sa Canada. Magkasunod. Grabe naman yun.
Suspected landing gear issue as well, preventing it from reaching the terminal. And back in South Korea, so many unanswered questions surrounding one of their most deadly plane crashes in history.
And tonight we're learning that the NTSB will lead a team of U.S. investigators to help the South Koreans as President Biden released a statement today offering condolences and U.S. support. Hallie?
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories.
Ayan, so grabe, no? Humabol pa talaga sa taong 2024. Hindi mo talaga masasabi ang buhay, no? Pag talagang andyan yung aksidente, hindi maiwasan talaga. Biro mo, 179 yung namatay, no? 2 ang nakaligtas. So, 181 yung tao sa loob ng eroplano. So, may 2 lang nakaligtas. Grabe yun. Grabe naman kasi yung pagkatama nung eroplano dun sa pader mismo ng airport perimeter, no? So, makikita sa ibang video yan na talagang pagsalpok is boom, biglang sabog, no? So, dito, this time, pagkatama sa pader, kinat na. So, yun. Pinakita na lang yun na nasusunog na ng Kasi nasa NBC News tayo kaya siguro kinat to. So, anyway, select natin to. Grabe. Condolence, no? RIP dun sa mga nawala. Kalungkot lang po. Sige po. Bye-bye po.